I'll do one thing. I'll start the session. Today we have next session. We will start today.
Yes, sir, you're on.
I think we are done with last topic was have we done charts of accounts? Is it completed?
Can you just tell us again the charts of account?
Account again you want me to tell?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Aman, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, fine. See, Aman, in SAP when we do, we have three type of charts of accounts. We have one we call it as a operating charts of account. Another we have is a group charts of account. Then another we have is a country specific charts of account. Three type of charts of account we have in SAP. Okay, so let me tell you the difference between what all these things we do in charts of account. Operating charts of account is contains the GL account that is for daily posting during daily activities. Like in a company code, when you are doing the daily activities, that time we use this operational charts of account. It is also called as a operating charts of account. Okay, you have to assign operating charts of account to company code. It is mandatory to do. Without this, you cannot move for the next topic. Getting? And another we have is that is called as a group charts of account. Why is group charts of account? The group charts of account contains the GL account that are used by entire corporate group. At a corporate level, what we use that we use for the group charts of account means in a group charts of account we can assign n number of company codes. That it will be possible for us to maintain the group at a corporate level, and this allows the company to provide the report for entire corporate group. Okay, assigning the entire corporate charts of account to company code is an optional. Okay, as well as the country specific charts of account, this is nothing but the country chart of account contains GL account that needs to meet the country's legal requirement. Each and every country's legal requirement, if you have the country's legal requirement, it will be allowed in the country specific charts of account. Okay, this allows you to provide the statement of country's legal requirements we have. As per the country level, we maintain that. And assigning the country specific charts of account to company code is optional. Got it? This is optional. So these are the three charts of account we need to maintain in the SAP. Exactly. But we are maintaining the operational charts of account as it is mandatory to create the charts of account. Exactly. For that, what we do, we need to go for SAP. Here we'll log in this, and we have to go for the SPRO tool. Log in here. We'll go for SPRO, Asset Preference IMG. Then we have to go for financial accounting. Then we have to go for general ledger accounting. Then we have to go for GL accounts. Then master data. Then we have to go for preparation. Here we have to go for that. To create an operational charts of account, you have to go for edit. Then you need to create the charts of account. Yesterday, I think I have created already. I have created charts of account. I think it is here. It's available here. What was that code? It is here. Charts of account is TSSC I have created. This is called as charts of account, operation charts of account. So I'll go here. I'll just find that TSSC. Wait, let it come. It is there here. TSSC charts of account. Charts of account for the company code TSC0. Okay, TCS0 is the company code, and we are assigning that to the, and language we have is 10. Like language English, the GL account length we have 10. What is the GL account length account 10 means? This is nothing but the number of ledgers you want to create in your company. At what digit length you want to create. 10 means it's the maximum length. Okay, I'll tell you this when we create the ledgers in next topic. Fine. Now after this, what we do next topic we have is a assign we do here. We go to assign company code. We click on position and find the company code. Our company code is TCS0. Enter TCS0, and here we give that charts of account TTSC. That means we are assigning company code to the operational charts of accounts. After that, what we do, we go for define account group here, and we create the groups here as per the our company charts of account or account group requirement. TSSC. You see here, I have maintained assets as a 1 to 100. The liabilities things comes from 101 to 200. Revenue comes 201 to 300, and expenses comes from 301 to 400. Then what we done, once this configuration has been maintained, I have went for the defined retained earnings account and we give our charts of account here, and just we maintain the 2-digit code, we link to that to the any account number, that is optional account number. Once this is done, our operation charts of account will be created. Got it, Aman? Is it clear for you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we'll move to the next topic ahead. So see, until retained earnings account we are done. Next topic what we do, we create the GL accounts we maintain. You can see these GL accounts are there here, like a balance sheet account is there here, profit and loss account is there here. You can see one table is there. I'll just show you here. Here I'll just show you. Okay, you can see one table as maintained here. I have maintained one table. What I have done here, I have done here uh, table maintenance. I just put it in a proper column. See, balance sheet, assets and liability I have maintained. Heading, and I have maintained here income and expenses. Got it? So there are two types here. This I have maintained as per my account group. Assets I have taken number from 1 to 100. Liability 101 to 200. Income 200 to 300. Expenses 200 to 400. So as per this number, I need to create my GL accounts now. For that, what I will do, I will start creating it the GL account. To create this all GL account, you need to follow this FS00T code, transaction code.
Sir.
You got it,
So
Aman?
what are those 1 to 100? Are those document range number?
Which you're telling me are those?
1 to 100 is
Yeah,
mentioned asset. What are those 1 to 100?
1 to 100 is the asset items. We've created account groups, you remember? Here.
Yes.
Now, as per that account group, I need to maintain this all items. Understood? Example, I have made this to create. Okay, I want to show you how to create this all items in the company code TCS0. What we have maintained. You got it?
Okay,
So
sir.
this I made for example to just show you how do we create that. Okay, okay, okay. So what I will do now, I will just create them. For that, you got to go for accounting, general ledger, master records, GL account, individual purchasing, FS00 central. You should go for here to create that ledgers. Okay. So this is the path which you need to follow to create the GL account. Fine. So you go for FS00 here, and you will see the display looks like this. Then I need to create now. To create now, what I will do, I will click on create and I'll change my company code here. What is my company code? My company code was TCS0. You can just check that here. Here it is TCS0. So I take TCS0. I'll put here 01 first item. So what is my first item? It is a cash. Correct? So you can give the company code as 01 and click on continue. So you can just see here TCS0 is already created is showing. Wait, let us just check that. Company code is TCS0.
Day before yesterday, you have made the ledgers.
I have made the ledgers also yesterday.
Day before yesterday.
Oh, okay, okay. My laptop got hanged, no? Okay, correct, correct, correct. So see here. Exactly, exactly. So yesterday I created this all ledgers also. We are done with this topic also, right, Aman?
Yes, yes, sir.
We have started
Yeah,
that topic but was not finished.
yeah, yeah. Only the last item, which was that revenue and expenses, was not created. Okay, even I'll create expenses also now. It is here. 301 purchases. I'll just create all that also. 301. Company code is TCS0. I'll just create that also. It comes under the expenses comes under the profit and loss. 301 purchases. Purchases, purchases, control data, display 001. Here go to G001 save. Save will copy this. 302, enter, control data go here, just go for here, change the name, commission paid, save. Just copy this only here, then go to 303, we have salary paid. So here save, same copy 304, discount paid. Save. That's it. So we are done with this. All the our GL accounts has been maintained. Exactly. So this is the way we have maintained the GL account. Okay, I already told yesterday. You got to create it like this. So any kind of errors you guys are getting. Okay, any kind of errors you are getting. How about Aman and Gaurav and Rupali? Rupali, Aman, Gaurav. Did you guys got any error with this? Yes, guys, I'm audible to everyone. Did you guys any
Yes,
error?
sir.
Any error you got here, or you got perfectly everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice then. Fine. Then I'll tell you next topic then today. Okay. So we have created all the ledgers what we have maintained. Okay. The next session what we have is we will go with the ledger. See, bulk ledger. I'll tell you how to copy at last. Okay. So I kept in yellow this because I need another company code for that. Okay. So I'll tell you that as last at last this. I will start today with the GL account entries. Okay, so as you can see my screen, I have created some journal entries here. Example, okay, in SAP there are three ways to post the entry. One is by FB50, one is by F-02, one is by F-02 fast data entry. Okay, today I will tell you how to pass this example. I have made example three entries here. Being business comments, cash debit to capital, I created here. Then you can see here I have made second entry, furniture machinery to cash. Third entry, cash to salary. So these are the three entries which I have made here. So I need to pass them in my company code. Exactly. For that, what I will do, I will start next topic today with the FB50 GL account entries, how to pass them, how to make the GL account entries. Okay. And in SAP, already I have told you, we use a posting keys 40 as a debit entry and 50 as a credit entry. Got it? So what I will do now, I'll go to FP50 and I'll pass these three transaction entries. You can see here. Okay, first entry is business to capital. For that, you need to go for SAP. You need to go for here, accounting, financial accounting, and you should go for document entry. You should go for FB50 enter GL account. Okay, whatever the GL entry topic things are there, you got to just go for them FB50 to pass them. Got it? So we'll go for FB50 here and we'll pass the entries in SAP. Fine. So we'll go for FB50, double click on this. You will see the page looks like this, the screen, GL account. First of all, we'll give the document date when you are passing this entry. I'll take 12/08/2021. Currency is INR and I'll take the document head texture here. Here I'll take this being business comments. I'll copy this and I will paste it here. Okay, I'll take here previous comments. So what is the journal entry we have created for that? Cash to get debit 20,000 to capital credit 20,000. So I'll take here cash account selection. Okay, so I need to change a company code. Company code is different. Change your company code first. Always change your company code. TCS 0. Then give your date here. Posting date will come automatically by software. You don't have to change posting date. Only document date you have to change. You can give this document date, today's date and a past date, not a future date. Fine. After this, what we have the next topic. After this, what we have the next topic. We need to go for here that ledger. Being business comments. Copy this and paste that here. And cash account is debited here. Select here the cash account, that is 1. 1 is a cash account is here, debited. What is the amount? 20,000. Copy here, you can paste that here. Then what is credited here? The capital account is credited. We are starting the investing into the business. So here capital account is credited, capital is here, 101 number. I take it as credited, I'll put amount as a star here. You can see here the entry has been can be posted. Balance equals to 0. Got it? We can stimulate this and you will see here 20 and 20. Then you can post it here. You can save and post. Once you click on post here, what it will show you? Document 1 was posted in company code TCS0. That means this entry have been passed. Got it? Next entry, what is there? Being furniture is purchase is there. So I'll remove this machinery from here and I'll put here 10,000. Being furniture purchase is there. So furniture account debit to cash is there. I'll give the date. Same way. You got to copy this, paste it here. Here I'll make the debit as a furniture. You got to select here the furniture account. Furniture account, debit I'll do it. I'll put the amount 10,000. Cash is 1. Otherwise, you can just click on this and you can enter. You can select here 1. 1. Credited amount as a star. You can just see here. My everything is execution done. Stimulate and you can post this. So my document 2 has been posted. After what we are next thing, being salary received is the third entry is there. Okay, I will not pass this also. Then I'll tell you how to display them all the ledgers. Salary received. What is salary received? Cash is debited, so 1 is a cash here. Select here 1 account. Debited, how much amount? 5,000. 2 salary received account you got to select here. That is salary received is here. Account is credited, amount as a star and done. You can see here. Now you can stimulate this to check the entry and you can post them. Now document 3 is posted. So 3 entries I have passed in my company. Now I need to check them. To check them, all the entries which all are posted in company code, you should go for FBL3 and T code. For GL account display. For GL account display, we go for FBL3N. So what I will do now, I'll take back here. I'll go for FBL3N. I'll go here. Okay, if you want to find a path for that, you can go for account and FBL3N. You can go here, otherwise you can go from here. Both are same. Go for FBL3N, enter, all items select here, give the company code here. All items will show you every item. Then give the company code and remove this GL account and click on execute after that. So once you click on execute now, it will show you 3 items which you have posted. You can see here. What is the amount balance for cash? It is 15,000. Okay. 20 I have made a 1 entry, 10 then 5. 15,000. Furniture 10,000 is their balance. Capital 20. Salary is 5,000. Okay. Then you got to post it like this, all the entries in SAP. It's very simple and not complicated. So this is the way how we post the entries in SAP. You guys got it, everyone? Is it clear for you, Aman, Rupali and Gaurav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have showed you only one way today. How to post the entry, one way I showed you. Tomorrow I'll show you another 2 ways. Okay, because I want you to guys to practice this one way how to do. Tomorrow I show you how to post the entry throughout the F-02 document posting, and I show you how to do the F-0 document posting with the fast data entry option available. Okay, so this is you can do once you are one. Tomorrow I show you 1 and 2 how to pass these entries. Then as well as I show you how to make the parking and holding of document, and with that I show you document reversal also. How to reverse the document which is posted, because in SAP we cannot delete the entries which we have posted. That is why we need to reverse them. We cannot delete the entries in SAP in SAP. We need to reverse them. Okay, so these are the things which you need to practice for your companies, guys. Is it fine for everyone? Until here I wind up the session. Aman, Gaurav, or Rupali?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gaurav, how about you? Okay, fine. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll tell you another two, three topics extra. Fine. Thank you so much. Bye bye.